Good day, everyone. I'm Ola May, and welcome to my channel. Today, you all, I have another unboxing, and we are going to take a look to see what's inside. And which side does it open? Does it open from? Okay. I believe this is the first box that I've received like this, so hopefully that's the only opening, and it is. So let me turn it around. Let me double check to be sure my information is not showing first. And it's not. Oh yeah, look. Okay. So it actually has the coach inside. I have a card and paper covering. So this came from Coach. So I think this is my first unboxing from Coach and not the, even though the websites are pretty much connected now. Yeah, and it has a sticker on it and everything. So I'm gonna probably read the card last, but this is the card or envelope. Let's see what we got, y'all. Pull the paper back. This little cute bag. So yes, it's a little cutie pie. Oh, and look, what does it say? It says Coach Reloved. So y'all, this is my first Coach Reloved bag from Coach. Can you see what it is? I'm sure you can see the silhouette. So this little cutie pie, it is surely a Colorblock, but I believe it's called a Kia. Let me see if they put a tag or something in here. Let me double check the paper. I want to be sure that I have the correct name for it because it's so pretty. Just a moment. Okay, y'all. So it is a restored Kia circle bag in Colorblock is the actual full name of it. So I'm going to give you a close-up of it. It does have this pretty pink Coach leatherware on the front. The side, it is, I believe this is saddle. And then the trim along the edges, it looks bright orange on the camera, but it's not really bright in person. And then the zipper's yellow. And then the Coach hang tag, that's like, I would say it's a cross between a sky blue and a gray, but to me it looks more blue. And this is the back side of it. The full round. It's such a little cutie. And when I was looking at this purse, I did see it on the Coach website first. I did look at other markets as well, other websites, and Coach definitely did their homework on it because their pricing was, if not the same, maybe a little bit less than other markets, websites. So I said, why not get it directly from Coach? To me, that's more trustworthy, especially with it being restored. And I figured that was a better way of purchasing it versus getting it on like eBay or something like that, because I did also see it on eBay. But let me show you the inside and get the strap out of here as well. This is a close-up of the strap. And y'all, I I love colors, so Colorblocks purses, to me, it's something fun and different. I have a lot of purses where the colors are the common colors, but to have a Colorblock purse, again, this to me is something fun to carry, something different. It does have a Coach on the hardware. Make sure that you can see that. Doesn't look like they want to show, but it's right there on each buckle. So I'm going to go ahead and attach it, and then we can take a closer look inside as well. And you all, if you are not subscribed to my channel and you're enjoying this video, feel free to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you are made aware each time I upload a video. Okay, so it is not, there's just a slip pocket inside with the Coach. If I can get it open, it is kind of tight. With the Coach leather patch there. But this is the full inside of it. With it being a smaller purse, it's actually pretty good that they did not put in a lot of compartments, because that, I think that would probably take up room, I would say. But since this has the pink Coach leatherware in there, the full purse itself is not pink. But with this being in here, I am going to make this purse for the month of October, which is for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So I will include the hashtag for fellow content creator DJ King 247, but the hashtag is going to be for DJ King. So I'm definitely going to include that with this video. I think this qualifies for for the pink handbag. That's what the hashtag is for pink purses. But this has a pink accent to it, so I think it's gonna make the cut. And there's also pink in the strap as well, so that kind of helps it qualify. But I think this is a very cute purse. I will just do a very quick measurement of it so you have an idea of how small it is. And I hope my cell phone fits in here. It's a tiny purse, so I want something other than my thoughts to fit in this bag. So hopefully my cell phone, and which I think it will. I'll actually test it out. I may as well test it out to see if my cell phone fits in here, as well as that'll give me an idea what else I can fit in here. So as you see, from the top to the bottom, it's about 7 inches. So that means it's 7 around, since it's a circle. And then the width of it itself is 2.5, right under 3 inches. Okay, so let me see if my cell phone, how easily it goes in here. And my cell phone is, I believe it's right under 7 inches. Let me double check. That way I will know for sure. Okay, yes, my cell phone is right under 7 inches. So let's see if I can get it in here and possibly zip it up as well. Okay, if it's in there, let me zip it. No problem, y'all. So if it fits my cell phone, I have no problem putting a smaller wallet or card case or mini skinny, whatever I would want to put in here, as well as other accessories. So this is absolutely a cute bag if you do prefer smaller bags and a lighter carry, or if you just want a crossbody to wear for the weekend or run to the store, or anytime that you just want a lighter carry, you can surely carry this Coach Kia bag. And I think it'll be fun. It seems like it's going to be a fun carry. I'm looking forward to carrying it. And now that I know for sure that my cell phone fits in here, yes, I'm looking forward to carrying it. And I did look inside of here, you all, and it was just my invoice inside. That's it. I thought maybe I had like a special note or thank you note or something like that. But that's all that was there. So this is it for this video, you all. I did the unboxing for this Kia circle bag. I did measurements for you. I showed that my cell phone fits in, and if your cell phone is around the same length or dimensions, it can also fit in here as well. So all in all, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it. This is an exciting purse for me, and I'm loving the colors. So I'm looking forward to carrying it, like I said. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, liking, subscribing, commenting, and sharing. I really do appreciate it. I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. And as always, have a very, very wonderful day. And thank you for watching.